Hi guys! Welcome to my little cocoon. Right, after, oh god, I can't wait to get out of this room. It's been wonderful staying at Blake's, I'm not gonna lie, it's been beaut, had a great sleep. However, 8 AM, roadworks. I do not miss London. People ask me constantly, do you miss London? No! Oh god, it's such a racket, like a pneumatic drill on the floor at 8 AM. It's like, give me a break. I mean, I was up, but still it's like, I can't wait just to get away from this pneumatic drill. I'm gonna head off now from Blake's. I need to go to, well actually I'm making it sound like it's really important, but I'm going for a massage. With the way my back's been recently, do you know what it is? Guys, I'm getting old. I'm 30 now, and it's definitely showing in my aches and pains, that's for sure. Like, if I sleep on my side in bed, if I just sleep on my side with one arm underneath me, the next day it traps a nerve in my back pretty much every time. I've done it a few times now. One time I was in absolute agony for 6 weeks, could not get rid of it. Anyway, so I keep doing that, and my back it's just a little bit sore now. So trying to book in for a few more massages. So I'm going to the Elemis Spa, the one that's on Lancaster Court near Bond Street. It's just so nice. I've been there so many times, just like facials or massages. It's one of the most beautiful spas you could go to. It's amazing. So I'm heading there for a little massage. I think it's like a 90-minute special thing. So there goes the drill. There goes the drill. Oh, I just love London so much. That's what I'm doing first. I need to head off. I think I might try and walk to the tube and get the tube rather than get a taxi. Oh. Just made it to Elemis. I'm late, always 5 minutes late. Did not expect it to take this long, in my defence. But I'm here, I'm only 5 minutes late, so we can get into it. And I forgot I'm actually having a facial as well, so I don't know why I've bothered putting any makeup on, but hey ho, I'm looking forward to sprucing up this skin a little bit. This time of year, I'm absolutely boiling. Don't wear too many layers, guys. It's so hot on the tubes. Ooh. So I'm in the Elemis penthouse. So I've been in here before. It's beautiful. It's like a sitting area, and it's got 2 beds, so you can come in here with your mum or your partner or anybody at all. You can bring your dad, and you can all have massages. So I decided, because I've realised I've got makeup on, I'm instead going to go for longer massages than a facial today. Well, the facial here is wonderful, but I just really want to focus on the old muscles. So this is where I'm gonna be. Okay, finished up with my massage. I feel amazing. I had like 90 minutes of just pure bliss. It was so good. Like, worked into my back and my head, my feet, in fact everywhere. It was really just so relaxing. I feel amazing now. Oh, I might just go get a coffee, I think, because I've got a little bit of time before my next, what have I got on next? We've got some meetings, or I might just go and get a coffee and chill. Yeah, on to the rest of the day. Hi guys, I've been home actually for a little while. Got the train back. It was just manic, rush hour time, just fabulous. But I got back, and luckily, ooh, that is bright. Luckily today, Alex made delicious homemade like minestrone soup, like this really thick soup with loads of beans and, oh god, I don't even know. So many just veg and beans just thrown in a pan, and it was delicious. I mean, we had 2 bowls left over, so we've just had like dinner, and I've just had a bath. I haven't actually taken off my makeup because I'm not really wearing very much. I did, however, get my lashes done. This one, I just need to brush this through because I've moved it. I think I rubbed my eye stupidly, but looking fab. And I've got my little DKNY. So fashion. Anyway, I've come back. Alex has very kindly cleaned a lot of the house, and the closet is coming together. Amazing. There's no point me really showing you that yet. It'll be done by the end of the week, so don't worry. It's coming up in Vlogmas, but it's just a complete mess right now. So there's no point me showing you it because you can't even see anything. It's just a few bits of carcass, and that's it. I think they spent most of the time getting it into the room before they can start building it. So, but it's coming on amazing, and I'm so excited to see it finally all in that room. However, in the meantime, I mean, we've got so many deliveries coming tomorrow. I've organised so many to come tomorrow because I'm here and Alex is here. The first time we've been here since the trip because literally we came back from Chicago, as you saw, and then we went straight, well, I went straight back into work the next day and haven't really been here. So tomorrow I've got loads of stuff coming. I've got furniture arriving, which is mega exciting. Cannot wait for that. And I've had so many deliveries while I've been away, but I've had loads of things delivered. Wow. Oh, now I remember what this is. Yes. So this is a new duvet for our bed. I wanted something thicker, so I bought a new duvet and I completely forgot that it was arriving today. I've waited a while for this because it's from a store called the Secret Linen Store, and they kind of make everything when it's ordered, so it's taken like 5 weeks. Please be thick and bouncy, please. 13.5 top, so it should be warm. It's also huge. Yeah, that does definitely feel thicker than our last one. Ooh, I might go put this on the bed. Hey, dump. Does feel a lot more like padded. Yeah, in this current one, a lot more padded. I think our other one's only like an 8.5 tog. Wow, it is yellow in this room. God, I look so fashion in this, don't I? Right, let me change this over then. Ooh. Bedspread. Down, boy. Bedspread. Down. Okay, I can take some cushions off, I suppose. Cushions off. Alex just loves how many cushions we have. Oh my god! What? Oh my god, this is such a boy thing. There are 4 pairs of socks at the bottom of this bed. 4 pairs of socks. Guess who takes his socks off when he's in bed? Socks, love. Ooh. Oh wait, no, I tell a lie. There are... This is ridiculous. What is he like? They're even on my side of the bed. Oh, I do love him. He's so cute. Some of the things he does. Oh, I can hear him. He's moving around. The elusive husband is awake somewhere. Oh, my nails just look so pretty. They remind me of like Dorothy's red slippers. I do actually need to wash this duvet cover. Is there any point? Do you know what? I might just quickly put this duvet cover through the wash. I might do it. Do you know what? I might do that. I might quickly put this in the wash. Then I know it's nice and clean for my new duvet. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Stay. Come on. Good. Do it. Do it. Yes. Alright. Stick that in the airing cupboard for the spring. Decided I'm going to wash that duvet. However, it has blood on it. I think Alex had like a little nosebleed in bed, and of course he's not washed it off yet, so I'm going to have to scrub the blood off of this white duvet cover. Yay! Love being a wife so much. Pile of socks that came out of the bed, but Alex had no socks left. Right, into the utility room. I don't even know what time it is, but it's late. But I really want to get this done, so I'm going to get out all my cleaning fandango and I'm going to clean this bad boy. What is it? I actually genuinely don't know what this is. Oh, look!
Are these all the handles?
These are our handles.
That's a lot of handles.
Ooh. Yeah, I need to get 16 handles.
And I got to fit them all.
And that's not including all the wardrobe doors or anything. They better be slick. Better be slick.
I like them.
Oh, that's beautiful. Although I don't think they're gonna fit over.
No.
Oh wait, no. They might just. Oh, they're a similar size. Fantastic. It fits perfectly. Oh, they're gonna look so good when these are bright white doors.
Are we getting different doors? Or are we keeping
No, we're keeping these doors.
I want to get rid of these in the future though.
I think when they're painted, they'll look.
Like these doors.
I think when they're painted, they'll look really, really slick, especially with these on them.
Yeah, these are cool.
Are they quite big and nice?
Oh.
Oh.
Thread just came out.
Careful.
Well, you gotta just do it this way, so that's what it'll kind of look like.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, I really like them.
Yeah.
They're great. Next up, Alex is now unboxing so that I don't have to use my nails.
Oh, is that why I'm here?
Spooky. So I've got some new lamps. New lamps finally arrived for my spare room, and these are great. I just really love this, like, oh yes, they are so good. Even better, fantastic. Okay, I have washed and cleaned the face, so I'm feeling much more ready for bed now. I thought I'd show you though, my new lamps. Finally here, my new lamps. So these are looking far more on theme with my green and my gold vibes. Really enjoying these. They look really, really sweet at the side of the bed. I'm thinking I need like some artwork. I mean, Alex was speaking and saying I wish we'd put up some like a picture rail or a dado in here, because I think it would have made it. It's hard to know what to do right at the beginning of moving in, and I just wanted this room to be painted and like perfected. But now it's done, so if I go and put like a dado in here now, it's gonna like mess up the whole thing. I'm gonna have to have it repainted, like what, a nightmare. And it is only a spare room, so I'll have to have a think about that. That is food for thought now. Morning guys, it's Wednesday morning. I didn't get to film anything else last night because I wanted to see Alex, and I got a little bit too busy doing bits and bobs, and to be honest, by the time I was finishing filming it was like 10:30 anyway. Today's the next day. I've probably got broccoli in my teeth. I must admit I'm spending the day in bed working today. I'm still feeling rubbish. I feel like my throat that was more on this side is now more on this side. I just feel really lethargic and just rubbish and run down. So Alex is being an absolute gem. He's been out to the shop. He's just made me this salad for me to have, and he's bought me one of these amazing naked green juices as well, which are just so delicious. I'm about to watch the morning show. Yeah, I'm just feeling a bit sorry for myself. The house is obviously very loud because we've got Hammonds in making the closet upstairs. Those guys are doing a great job so far. We've got like quite a bit of the thing going in. We've had a guy come around today looking at the roof tiles to sort out some roof tiles that were missing. We've had loads of deliveries. We've had the office console table delivered. That's just in this hallway here, so things are going on, and I'm kind of up and down, but I'm just trying to stay in this room and nice and warm all day, just try to kick this thing finally, just drink loads of like vitamin C. So yeah, as soon as I'm kind of feeling a bit more me and I'm doing a bit more, I will come back to you, because there's a load of things downstairs. I want to show you like beautiful new homeware things that have arrived, and my new chair, my loaf chair, will be arriving imminently actually, so I'm looking forward to seeing that in the dining room. The lounge, it's gonna look beaut. So my new chair came. Oh wow, look at that. Cool. Oh my god, it's amazing. I love it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Yeah. Look how pretty. I love it. I must admit, I wish we'd gone 2 foot taller with this tree. I'm having ideas that I may buy another tree to put in here, and then this one we will move into the kitchen, because we love how it looks anyway, and with lights on, so maybe we could just have it as our like lit tree and have it in there. We don't need to necessarily put loads of things on it. In fact, we could just have it completely bare, just with like lights on it. But then this one, I'm thinking of buying a new tree. Hello, hi. I'm thinking of buying a new tree that's taller, and then adding a little bit more decoration as well, so we'll see. If I get round to it, we'll see if that happens. Look how nice the room looks with my little chair.
You're gonna put a throw on it?
I don't know if it needs it, I don't know, maybe. It's just so...
lost a little bit.
It's so pretty.
Maybe if you put like white throw on the right hand side of it.
Yeah, so it matches with the...
Just so it kind of pops a little bit more, because I feel like
the
it's
mellow.
kind of lost on that wall a little bit. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know.
I really like it. I love the double colour.
Yeah,
I love that corner with the double colours together. So it looks super pretty. I am so pleased. This room is coming on so beautifully now. Like I mentioned, I do kind of wish there was a bit of a dado rail or just something just to break up the wall a bit, but I'm loving the way it's looking. I've got my new cushions. I've got another cushion on the way. I've just tidied it up in here a little bit, so it's just looking really beautiful now. I've actually been finding myself spending more time in here than my actual bedroom, because it just feels really calm. I'm not sure if it's the colours and like the warm grey. This is called Cornforth White, by the way. A lot of people always ask me that. It's just a really lovely warm grey, I think, so it just feels really lovely and cosy in here. So I really like it. I'm really happy with it. My closet is looking great. I've got like my shoe shelves are kind of starting to take shape, and my bag shelves. The guys are a little bit behind on it though, I think. It's quite a big job. They said it's one of the biggest closets I've ever built, but I'm sure they will do an amazing job. It'll be awesome, so I'm really looking forward to that. I'm going to kind of keep that for later in the week. I want to properly show you it rather than just show you like drips and drabs. I'll most likely be putting a few pictures out on my Frowhome account, so if you're not following already, I will be, yeah, that's where you find most of the things to do with the house will be on Frowhome. Oh, in fact, I just made my bed as well with my new duvet, so I'm pretty pleased about it. Bedroom is looking absolutely beautiful. I've put our new duvet on and the duvet cover that's all nice and clean. And I put our cushions back. This is Alex's little pile of, please will you put this away? I like to put things just here in a little pile. It's like, please babe, will you put those away when you get a minute? And then this chair, I just love this chair. What is this? What is this on my chair? Fluff. Okay, that's fine. It's just so pretty. I was almost thinking of getting another one, a matching one for that corner, so the whole room is like mega symmetrical. What do you guys think of that idea? So then it'll be fully symmetrical across, because we need some in this corner. The only other option I was thinking was maybe like a table that's around like the dado height, and on it we could put a big beautiful vase that goes up the wall with some flowers, some dried flowers in it. Maybe stick something underneath. Just need something. I think so a bit of elevation up that wall could be quite nice actually, because we don't want to put any artwork on this wall because there's so much going on anyway, and I just love it so much like this, so we're going to leave this clear, I think. So Alex is cooking me up a little treat in the kitchen. He's making my favourite sweet corn soup. A lot of the time he won't make it for me because he makes it so much and then he gets like really mad. He gets really mad at me for constantly wanting it. I'm one of those people that if they find something they really enjoy eating, they'll keep eating it over and over. Yeah, I've managed to get him to make it me. They're like, I'm not feeling great, please make my favourite soup. So he is a dreamboat today. He's made me a couple of coffees and my lunch and everything else. So I am loving him. What shall I do for the rest of the night? I might just, do you know what? I might just chill for the rest of the night because there's no point me. I just feel so guilty when I'm not doing anything, but actually it's 6:30 and I'm not feeling well. I just need to like chill out. I'm just constantly thinking like, what can I be doing? What can I be doing? Like I've just been downstairs cleaning up, putting a wash on, doing the bits and bobs around the house. Maybe I should just chill out now, I think. I might end this vlog here actually, because I'm not too sure. I mean, I'm doing some bits and bobs tomorrow, but then it'll be a really long vlog. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up today. I'm going to edit this for tomorrow, and then what will be after that. So yeah, it's been a very chilled few days. Sorry that I'm so like morose with this not feeling well, but I'm sure I'll feel better. Looking around on social media, everyone's a little bit ill right now, so it's just going around. I will love you and leave you guys. Thank you for watching my Vlogmas. I'll see you soon.